It's a shameful confession to make for someone who is in a twin flame journey. Love isn't need. And I was here all along thinking that I have to do something in order to be loved. Maybe it has something to do with my friends when they said they loved me or they said they thanked me. They meant that they loved what I brought to the table. The problem was, I think they didn't realize what I was bringing to the table was something that taking a lot of efforts from my side. They somehow thought that it was effortless for me because somehow I am a supernatural human being and I can somehow just understand them, listen to them, be their therapist, and they just feel so light and they don't have to do anything, and it is just my nature that it is effortless for me. But it was not the case. I took a long time to figure out who they are, what they need, what are they expecting from me, and I fulfilled them. I didn't fulfill them because I was thinking that this is what they expected, but I fulfilled them thinking that this is what friendship means until the time that I was loved. And I was absolutely confused what this person wants. This person kept on wanting to be with me, and then I couldn't figure out what they need, what they want. And I asked a couple of times, what are you looking for? What do you need from me? There was no answer. And I was more confused. Maybe this person is just fucking passive and they are not talking about it. So I still tried to work my brain to figure out what is it. Until one time I just realized that this person just loves me. I mean, I could be brushing my teeth, this person loves me. I could be sleeping, this person still loves me. I could not be paying attention to them. I could be in the same room, this person loves me. I could not be paying attention to them at all, this person loves me. I have no idea how they measure love. Or do they measure love? I mean, I understood this one thing, that they don't care about how much finance is involved, how much finance is provided to them. But they do care about something else, something emotional. And I was, oh my God, shocked. And some of you might be thinking, you sound like a runner. I don't want to comment on that. But all I will say is, there are so many people in twin flame journey, or so many people in life in general, who doesn't know what love is. Love is not need. If anybody is asking for something from you, they are not sorry. They are not in love with you, and that's not a bad thing. There are so many relationships that is codependent relationship. It is just barter system kind of a relationship. You scratch my back, I scratch yours. If you know how to ask them to scratch your back, I think it is a good, fulfilling relationship. But if you are someone who is as dumb as, well, I don't want to say it, but as dumb of a person who doesn't know how to ask for anything and who doesn't care about reciprocation and who just keeps on giving the other person till the point that you have burnt out, I think you need to step back because you don't know how to be in a relationship, all right? But love, I think it has nothing. I mean, no reason for it. If this makes sense at all, let me know in the comments down below. There will be so many people who would love you. And maybe you will whack your brain out of, why do they love me? What do they need? You won't find any reasons. There will be pets who would love you, or animals who would love you, and you will try to figure out, why do they need me? I didn't feed this animal last time. Why do this pet love, or this animal loves me? They will still maybe wag their tail and then rub their face on you, right? And you have no idea where this is coming from. You will be absolutely confused. But maybe that's what love was all along. I hope this makes sense. Let me know in the comments down below. Spiritual consultancy